Hello, I'm back. I've been gone for a while. I had a commitment to an organization that I needed to fulfill, and that took up a lot of my time. But now I'm back. I'm going to be doing more camping, more fishing, more adventures, and hopefully you will come along with me and experience it as well. I did book a one-night trip for tonight, so I'm going to be packing up the truck and heading out shortly, and I hope that you come along with me and enjoy it just as much as I do. See you in a bit. I do not like traffic. I do love it. All right, we're here, campsite 40, and we're on our way there now. Great day use area. Oh, here we go. Like, this is cool. Check this out. I love this place. Oops, sorry. Love this place. Okay, see you at the campsite. Site 40, not bad. Let's check it out. I came in through that way. Grace. Fire pit, table, barbecue pit, wood food box, fairly level platform. Come here. Bathrooms are there. Disabled person spot there, so I'm pretty much kind of by myself. It's kind of nice. So now I'm wishing, I brought my solar panels, but I didn't. But we'll talk about that later. All right, I'm gonna get camp set up. Be back soon. Okay, so I realized I forgot a bunch of stuff. But that's okay, it's only one night. So it is what it is. I got stuff for a fire. I got stuff to cook with. I got my sleeping. There's food in there. Got Grace. I'm gonna try a White Claw, which I've never had before. We're gonna give it a go. The other thing we're going to do is I started this book on a camping trip. I think it was my very first one in February of 2022. And I just finished it on the last camping trip about a month ago. So I'm gonna have a new one to start. I'm gonna start this one on this trip. All right, I'm gonna do some reading, relax a little bit, try this White Claw, and I'll be back. You having fun, Grace? Are you having fun? You're a good girl. Time for a walk. Okay, so I thought I should have some lunch. So I got this a while ago, and I thought, what a great time to try it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it. How many of you use this thing? I do, just because it came with it. Figured if I paid for it, I'm gonna use it. You know what I mean? All right. It is so beautiful here. It really is. Guess I should see how much water. 1.5 cups. Oh, guess I need this. 1.5. All right. So, that's 2 cups. One. and a half. I don't know. That'll work. That'll work. I should mark these. It's my little thing. Yeah. So we're going to use this because my little starter thing doesn't work anymore. All right, here we go. Come on. Alright, give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, let's see. Right about there. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Smells really good. That's the thing about these hydrated meals, they always smell pretty darn good, but they don't always taste pretty darn good, you know what I mean? Okay. Let's see. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And I don't have a clock. Hold on. Okay. We're going to call it 2:40. So 2:48 is when we'll try that. Yeah. So I've really missed camping. I miss my fishing. I miss my camping. I'm glad I'm able to get back into it. It's a really mental health thing. And you know, I was at first not too sure about doing the one night thing. But I need to get out. I need to get out. I have to. So I grabbed it. I'm really glad I did it. So we'll see. Maybe if I'm down, but look how gray I've gotten. If I'm enjoying it, which is so far I am, I'll definitely do it again. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, it's time. Actually, it's a little past time. It's 2:52, but let's give it a go. Mountain House cheesy beef enchilada bowl. I know these are on the more, ooh, oh, that smells good. Expensive side. I can't remember what I paid for this, but they're also on the convenient side. So thought I'd give these a try because I always like to have some convenience. I like to keep a couple of these in the truck as well. So let's see. Here we go. Let's give you a go. Let's give you a shot of what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Smells amazing. Wow. That's really good. What would even be better on top of it is if you added some shredded cheese. That'd be really good. All right, so this is my lunch. I guess this is, how many servings are in here? There's 2 servings in this bag, which I don't always agree with the servings because sometimes I've gotten both the 2 servings and then I've gotten some like the breakfast biscuits and gravy. I've gotten the 1 serving size, and it's like, that's so not enough. So this is definitely 1 serving in my opinion. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this, read my book. I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so I had some corn tortillas. So I smashed them up and put them in there. And now let's give it a try. This is like really good. I would definitely get more of these. Yeah, that's really good. Really good. So I want to close up these chips, but I forgot the wrong container that has my gallon bags in it. I could put that in the gallon bag, but I got some painter's tape. That'll work. Time for a walk. All right, so we're taking a walk around the campground. It is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. One of my favorite places. Thanks for coming along with me on this. Hope you enjoy it too. All right, I'm gonna start a fire now. We got some loud people over there. I'm gonna start a fire. Can you hear him? Ooh. All right. Campfires are the best. All right, so we got the fire going. Got the loud neighbors. Grace is over there snoozing. And I'm going to be getting a little bit of coals there. I got myself a pie iron. I've seen it being used on YouTube. And String Shoe Martha, I believe her name is. She uses it, and it's cool the things she does. So I got one, and I'm going to try it tonight. And I'm going to do grilled cheese sandwich with cut up hot dogs in it. So we'll see how it goes. Simple and easy. And when I come back, we'll start doing that. Until then, cheers. All right, time to make Grace's dinner. And while we're doing that, I should have done mine first. That's right. Good. Grace is going here. Get it going, and then we'll get mine going. I'm excited. I'm excited to try it and see how it is. Critique it, and perfect it. I know I had some, gotten some frozen apple turnovers for dessert I was doing. And I had a couple left over in the freezer, and now I'm wishing I would have grabbed it, because that would have been good. But that's okay. That's all right. It'll just give us something to do in our next video. So, all right. I will finish up her food, get her fed, and I'll bring you back when I'm putting together mine. All right? Okay. I've got hot dogs. I've got Colby Jack cheese. And I haven't had this for a long time, but it was kind of cool buying it. Classic white Wonder Bread. All right, so I'm going to put it together, and put it in the pie iron and put it on there. Hang on. They are loud. Very loud. That's all right. So we're just gonna go about our business. All right, we're gonna put some butter on here. Oh yeah, I got some Costco butter, grass-fed butter. I don't know if you could hear me or if you just hear them. I'm not bitter. That's all right. The only thing that's bad about this, well, one of the things about this bread is trying to put butter on it. I should melt the butter and then dip it in there. Maybe I'll do that. I think I'll do that. So since I'm going to do that, I need to get my thing. Hang on one second. Okay. So I'm just going to put butter in here. Oh, it's kind of melting already. And then I'm going to put it over here to melt. All right. Good. There we go. It's really nice here, actually. I really like it. I do want to try doing some dispersed camping. Kind of check that out and see how it is. All right. Okay. Bread. And bread. Sounds like something got stuck over there. Okay. Put the butter. I just hope they aren't loud when I'm trying to sleep. Girl's gotta get her sleep, you know what I mean? All right, so get some cheese. All right, Colby Jack cheese. I like lots of cheese. I love cheese. Sorry. do some hot dogs. Get the old pocket knife out for this one. Which is a bummer, as I think I said earlier, I forgot the wiener. Forgot the, I think I'll do this. I forgot the bag, or the container that has my little bags in it. So I think I'll put that over there. Put these guys here. There. Let's see how that looks. Whoops. Where is it? There it is. All right. Now, let's get it on the fire. I think what I'll do is I'll put this on here like this. That's what I'll do. That's what I do. There it is. All right. There we go. Oh, see the little squirrel? Little chipmunk? Grace sees it. Come on, Grace. She sees it and she's like, what do we got over there? All right. Again, painter's tape in a pinch. Go. Look at that. In a pinch. All right. I'm going to clean up this stuff and I'll be back. Just flipped it over. What do you think, Grace? Okay, so far, this is a game changer. It's hot, but it's a game changer. Look at this. Look at this. All right. Let's see how it is. Yum. I wonder how I could. This is a new stand thing. I wonder how I can. Oh, okay, hang on. I want to take you out of there. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see. That's good. Shoestring Martha. Game changer. All right, I'm gonna finish this. I'll see you in a bit. You know, I love camping and I love fishing. It gives my mental health a reboost. It's amazing. And I realized that I need to do it more. When I first got the truck camper shell, I was going, and I was in 22, the first part of 22, I was going like every other weekend camping, almost every other weekend of that, I was fishing. So I got to get back into that. Because not only is it good for my mental health, it makes me happy. Very, very happy. So, yeah. Just playing with the fire. Kind of getting it down to get ready to go out. Dog is completely out of it. She likes to lay in the dirt. White dog in the dirt. Anyway. All right, I will catch up with you when I'm in the back of the truck. Forgot. I have my Penelope weeded. I'm going to pour me a little bit of that. Finish the enjoying the fire. Take Grace out for her last little jaunt. Then I'll see you in the truck. Good morning. Slept pretty good. Hopefully this sound catches. People are still sleeping, so I'm trying not to be too loud. I'm gonna make my coffee and then enjoy my coffee. I just had a raccoon fight. So I'm kind of a coffee snob, but when I'm camping, and this is not an advertisement, I use an instant coffee, and it's Blue Bottle instant coffee. I love Blue Bottle. This is the espresso dark chocolate molasses and toasted malt. So that's what I'm using while I'm camping. And it's pretty good. Yeah. So, alright. I'm gonna make my coffee. I'll be back soon. Okay, I have to do the pour. There's the pour. All right, we are packed up, ready to head home. I need to go to work today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I look forward to doing more of this, and hopefully you'll stick around and do it with me. All right, y'all, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.